Hi everyone. So let's see about some of the course note related to this Pandas course. So these are some of the common course related frequently asked question I want to highlight in this video. Like with each section of your first video, I will attach the Jupyter notebook, whatever coding we'll do throughout this whole course. Plus wherever it requires, I will attach the slide. If you find any technical issues related to streaming of your video or a playback of your video or some of the video quality related issues or while enrolling the payment related issues, you can always directly contact to support@udemy.com because Udemy is the central company where all those courses has been hosted and Udemy is handling all those issues. If you don't get anything in a course, please use Q&A for any course related concept, or you can directly private message to me. Generally, I do speak very slowly, so you can always adjust your speed as per your convenience. So I will show you in a demo that how to do it. And Udemy allows you to download this video in an offline mode, but only on a mobile device. So you can always download the Udemy mobile app if you are on a Android or a iPhone devices. You can respectively go to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and you can download the Udemy app. Another important thing about the course is reviews. Reviews are important for you also and for me also as an instructor. Why it is important for you? Because other students can find this course, how this course is, whether they should enroll it or not. And as an instructor, it is very important for me. So after some 10 or 20 minutes of video watch, Udemy will immediately ask you that how this course is going on for you. So you can always rate this course between the rating from 1 to 5. But if you are not comfortable, if you do think that still you need a time, you can always select like a ask me later. But just for the sake, if you want to get out of this review screen, what Udemy will ask you after 10 or 20 minutes of video watch, please do not leave a bad rating or a low rating if you are not still prepared or if you are not still comfortable with the course. You can just directly private message to me. I will try to solve your query. After you leave the rating in terms of 1 to 5 level, Udemy will immediately ask you the next question related to what did you like about the course, what you like about the instructor, or how this course can be improved. So you can just simply select based on your experience till now in this course. And you can always write some public review, some text so that other student also can see about it. Okay, so that is all about the review and some common course FAQ. Let me just switch over to one video where I'll show you how to improve the video quality or how to adjust the speed. So this is one of my another course, Data Science with Pandas. So let me just open one of my videos. Here you can see on a left panel bar there is a 3 dots are there. From there you can navigate to individual videos of this full course. You can always close it. On a bottom left of the video there is a play pause. As usual, any other player has those kind of buttons. You can always rewind back 5 seconds back. Based on your convenience, you can always change this playback speed. So by default the speed is 1x. You can always adjust the speed and you can make it higher like 1.25x or 1.5x. You can always go in a time like a forward 5 seconds. And in a bottom right corner there is a one button like a setting. From setting, if you do feel that the quality of this particular video is very much lower, you can always adjust. By default this video will start in a 720p format and Udemy student always loves to watch this video in a 720p format. But if your internet connection and bandwidth availability, it may lower your video quality also. Okay, so this is some of the things related to course and how to proceed in a course from the technical perspective. So that is all about this video. From the next section we will start diving into actual installation of Anaconda.